Good day, guys. Good day to you all. Welcome back to the Formula Sports channel. Thanks for being here. A gentle reminder, as always, to please like the video and subscribe to the channel, as these are both free and easy ways to support the channel. And as always, we do appreciate the support, as always. Still on a high from that Ravel goal, man. Still on a high from that Ravel goal. You know, one of the most beautiful things about that goal is when it came. It came in the 81st minute, and the Derby County was chasing the game. There, if Ravel didn't score that goal, Derby County would have been in serious problems, right? They would have been out, right? And they would have been out of the Carabao Cup. And Ravel would have stepped up and scored a screamer, right, to, bring Derby County back on level pegging. So still an eye from that screamer from Ravel earlier today. A quick update on Leon Bailey. I was just watching a live video, right, and Craig Butler was asked, will we see Leon Bailey this week? As a matter of fact, let me read it out for you guys, in terms of exactly what Craig said, because it's an update, because many Jamaicans, many football fans want to know if we will see Leon Bailey play his opening game for Aston Villa against Watford, right? That those are two Jamaicans going toe-to-toe with each other. By the way, I want to do a watch along to that football game. I am planning to do a watch along to that football game, so you guys can tune in for that as well. But somebody said, initially Craig said, looking forward to see Leon play his first game for the club, right? Then the host of the program said, someone asked, will he play this weekend? Craig said, yeah, he will play this weekend. So I don't think probably Craig, well, I don't know if they're contractual obligations to play Leon, or, I don't know the details of the agreement, but, probably Craig is more saying that, well, I don't know how sure, or my thing is Craig talk it like him sure Leon will play. You get what I say? I think, probably what was, I don't want to misconstrue the words of Craig, but my whole interpretation of that basically is that Leon will be available come the weekend. I think that's what a lot of people want to know. Will Leon Bailey be available for the game on the weekend? And, basically, Craig is basic from what we are interpreting from what Craig is saying, is that Leon Bailey will indeed be available for the game against Watford this weekend. Craig was basically, saying, because apparently Craig and his Phoenix camp are readying themselves, are preparing themselves for a tour, right? He's taking his youngsters to Europe, right? We wish them all the best. We respect the work that Craig does with youth development in the country. I'm very passionate about youth development in our country. I think a lot of young talents, young gems are going to waste in our country. So apparently, from what Craig is saying, is that one of the teams that they will be playing will be the Aston Villa youth team. I don't know which youth team it will be, but I'm watching, previous videos with Craig as well. Craig, would have made mention of them playing Aston Villa's youth team, one of the teams that they will be playing on the tour, right? So he was basically saying that one of the teams that they'll be going to is Aston Villa, and that he will, be able to check out Leon's game as well, right? So, that's a quick update on Leon Bailey. Craig said, that, the player, yeah, he will play this weekend, right, in referring to Leon Bailey. And my interpretation of that is that Leon will be available, right, to play Aston Villa's opening Premier League game come this weekend. So that is, everybody is excited about that. Hopefully Leon can go there, man, and I think he will go there on ball, man. I do think he will go there on ball. Hopefully Leon goes there, in the game against Watford and, have an impressive debut. We are looking forward to see Leon Bailey have an impressive debut performance, right, against his fellow reggae boy in the English Premier League, Andre Gray, against Watford, right? So, a lot of people we are anxiously waiting that big, or we're anxiously awaiting the return of the EPL, right? And we get to see Leon Bailey in there as well, so that makes it even worse. We're anxiously anticipating the EPL, and I know many Jamaicans will be tuned in to Aston Villa's first game. We are dying for that game to get underway, and hopefully Leon Bailey starts, and we're dying to see what Bailey does for Aston Villa, right? And I think he will do well because he is a top player, right? Still, I had my reservations about the move, but that's behind us now, and hopefully I can get to do a watch along to this game as well, right? I really hope I can. I'm planning to do a watch along on this game. So, guys, that's my 2 cents from what Craig Butler, agent of Leon Bailey, is saying. Is that it looks as if Leon Bailey will be available for Aston Villa's opening game, right? So, guys, take care. This is just a quick update. Take care, stay safe, and until next time.